Hello everyone and welcome to my channel at princess.k. Always hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload some videos and whenever we do the live. So in today's video we are going to be preparing red bean soup, that is kidney beans. Yes, and I have my beans here. As you can see, I've already boiled them up and they are already soft, so we are only going to be adding vegetables, and I separated the soup from the beans because I'll need beans first before the vegetables. And I have some few vegetables here. You can see 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and green pepper, 1 carrot, and 2 garlic cloves. Hope you can see I have 2 garlic cloves. These are the vegetables I'm going to be using to prepare our mighty soup, red bean soup. And stick around, don't go away. So we are going to be slicing our vegetables that we are going to be using in the soup. As I told you, these are the vegetables I want to be using. I don't need too much of the vegetables. I need only few so that our soup can be yummy and very amazing. So let's start with slicing our carrot and then we do the rest. As you can see, very quick and fast, we are going to be slicing the vegetables. Let's start with the carrot. I've separated the carrot and I'm going to split it again. Let's put it again. Yes, so I'm going to be cutting into smaller pieces, as you can see. So we are still continuing with the carrot. We don't need too much vegetables in the soup because we need the flavor of the beans to stay. And we don't need the taste of the vegetables only. So that's why we have to include only less vegetables so that we can retain the flavor of the beans. Yes, so that's why I don't add too much vegetables. Yes, so our carrot is done, and let's go to the green pepper. Just a little piece of green pepper will be enough. And we'll go to the carrot, to the onion. We have to be very quick and fast because it's already lunchtime and we need to be quick. You can see I'm done slicing the carrots, onion, and the garlic together with the green pepper. So the last phase will be for the tomatoes. Remember, I said we don't need too much vegetables because we have to retain the flavor of the beans. Yes, so we are done with all the vegetables, and now the next step will be steaming. But before we steam, we're going to be adding some salt. Yes, so since we are done with all the vegetables, the next step is to add in salt, because remember, I'm not going to fry, I'm going to steam and then boil. So let's add in enough salt such that later on we will not be adding, only if it's required, but let's just put enough such that later on we'll be checking. If it's enough, then we will not be adding. Because the reason as to why we use salt is to let the vegetables to steam very well without burning at the bottom. Yes, so at this point we are done, and now let's light up the fire. And then once we are done with the fire, we are going to put the cover so that they can steam very well. Yes, so at this point, let's wait until we see the vegetables have already steamed properly. If they turn soft, then we'll be adding in our red beans. So stick around, don't go out. At this point, we are going to be checking if the vegetables are already soft, and then we add in the beans. So let's check on the vegetables because they have been steaming for quite some time. And as you can see, let's check the tomatoes because the main focus is on the tomatoes. So our vegetables are already steamed very well, and now it's time to add in the beans. Time to add in the beans, and let's add in our beans. You can see I've already separated the beans from the soup, so let's add in the beans first. But we are not going to add all, we are only going to add just a few. Then we smash them so that they can make the soup very soft, and then later we can add all the beans. As you can see, as you can see. So that we are going to smash these beans, just a small portion of the beans, until they turn soft. Then we add in the remaining balance, because the main focus is to make the soup very yummy and thick, but not too much. That's why we have to add in for the first portion before we add in all the beans. So we've already smashed the first portion of the beans. Now let's add in the second portion of the beans. And then we mix very well with the vegetables. Hope you can see very well. The aroma is really amazing and it's very yummy. For those who don't know red beans, they are the kidney beans. For those who haven't tried kidney beans soup, you can purchase in any supermarket of your choice. And then you boil them first, because you have to buy dry beans. And then you boil them first for maybe like 2 hours until they are soft. Then you can add in any vegetables of your choice. So at this point, now we are going to be adding in our soup. At this point, we are going to be adding in our soup, as you can see. And I have also another soup. So let's add in first this. This is the thick soup. It's thick soup, and it's all same the red bean soup, so that's why we have to use it. Let's mix first the first portion or the first phase of the soup. So let's mix first together with the rest of the beans. let's add in the last phase, but not all, because we are going to be adding slowly because we don't want to make the soup very watery. Oh, before that, let me add in the thickener. That is a mixture of spices. As you can see, this has turmeric, ginger, coriander, methi, fennel, and garlic and cumin. Yes, I'm going to use just one of these to make the soup thick. And I'll do this. So I'm going to pour all the ingredients in the soup. Then we mix before we add in our remaining soup, as you can see. So let's mix first, because remember we have to make the soup very yummy and tasty. So that's why we have to add in the thickener. It's a mixture of spices. So at this point, let's add in our remaining soup and then we let it boil. So we are going to be adding slowly because the soup is still thick and we need more soup because the food we are going to have the soup with is sweet potatoes. I like sweet potatoes very much and they are very tasty and yummy. So let's add in everything together and we wait until it boils very well, then we'll turn off the fire. I'm going to increase the fire so that it can boil very fast. And then we will call it a day. So let me check on the salt because remember we added some salt before we started. And let's check if it's enough or I need to add in more. I need to add in just a little bit, not too much, just to balance the flavor. Just a little bit. That will be enough, so no need to add in more. So that is enough. And now let's check if it's okay. Yeah, the salt is okay, so let's put back the cover and then we let it boil until it's ready. Then I will show you the results, so stick around, don't go away. Our soup is ready. As you can see, we are going to turn off the fire and it's ready to be served. So I want to say thank you so much guys for watching and stick around, don't go away, as I'll be uploading some more videos. In case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe at princessj.k. Always hit that like button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload some videos or whenever I do any live stream. So for now, I'll be signing out and see you and catch you up in the next one.